It's the busiest time around here at Proof. The holidays are upon us. What an incredible year it's been. We've opened 2 new stores. We're serving more customers than we ever have before. And the true highlight is watching the growth of our teams. Well, along with the holidays, of course, we are eager to help the world of other bakers out there that might be in their homes, might be in their smaller bakeries, maybe even their larger bakeries, trying to learn lessons, avoiding some of the pitfalls that we've fallen into. And to do that, we have a beautiful course online. You may have heard of it, $1 Million Baker. For this time of year, we have a special promotion. It's the lowest price that we offer this course all year. And price aside, this is a beautiful way of you being able to avoid some of the mistakes we've made or learn some lessons without having to live through them. That's what this course is all about. It's jam-packed now with 2 seasons, soon to be a 3rd, of all the knowledge that we've accumulated that we believe is the most valuable to starting and running an artisan bakery business. So go on to milliondollarbaker.com for $300 off for a special 1-week promotion starting this upcoming week. And we hope to share this with you. If you can make this investment now, it's the best time of year. There's some bakeries around the world that are learning from us and building their own communities based on some of this inspiration that hopefully we can seed into you through our own experiences. So I invite you to check it out and see if it's the best thing for you this year.